same. So I want to show you how to unclip this. You have 3 clips in here. First you have to take all the, I think it's T25 or T20 or 30 screws, 3 in the bottom, 1 on the side, and 2 on this side as well. So I think it's 6 on this wheel well. You have to lose the wheel well, move it over, then you have to unclip this one, which is a little bit difficult. You have to squeeze those 2. I started from the bottom, squeeze it, pop 1, then I do another one, squeeze it, pop 2, 3, and then it's easy. Then you have T30 screws in here, 2 of them. Then you have to just move it, pop out the bumper on the side, and you should be alright. The headlights, you have to lift it up to pass this, so you have to lift it up, move it towards the front, and kind of play with on the side so it's gonna come out. Alright, I think we did it. It works good. Here's a 2017 and up to 2019 Audi SQ7 4M headlights repair, yellow lights. This is the common issue with these headlights. From the beginning I bought the whole kit with the boards and everything. This is the new board and this is the new glass. But old Audis, I used to do this. You just put it in the oven and like 240 degrees and it should come off. This one, it's not coming off. This is impossible to get out. I damaged the one side. So at this point I have to get either brand new headlights or I can at least try to repair. What I did on one side, this side is obviously very easy. You just unscrew it, pops out, and that's it. You put a new board on it. This one is a little bit tough. As you see, I trimmed the plastic all around a little bit so my ratchet is gonna fit there. To take the 2 screws inside there is really tough. But I did one side, so that's how I'm doing. I open up over there a little bit plastic. I can use my key to unscrew the bolts, 2 little bolts. So this is the most tough, and this is the most common LED like lead got burned. So these 2, one on the bottom, one on the top. I got the boards for like $30, and all I have to do, this side, trim it out, you know, need a little bit how to say that, you need a little bit time to work out and unscrew those. When you get those, you will see the, oh, by the way, I forgot, I bought the whole kit. It comes with the new runner LEDs. I can't do it, like I said, we cannot replace that. So as you see, there is the point when LED gonna burn this little spot over here. If you have a yellow light, you will see it's like it's gonna be like a little dot burnt plastic. What it can do, what I'm using, you can get the something like that and gem tool to cut a little bit surface where it's yellow plastic was melted, and then you just polish with this one. So at this point I did one side, it seems like works, and it's not yellow, but it's definitely much brighter. And so yeah, let me open up this and I'll show you what I mean. So as you see, I pull this one out. You just carefully have to move on the side. Alright. And unclip this cable. So as you see, this one is damaged. It's melted a little bit in the middle. That's why I have to use the gem tool to cut its surface, and then you have to polish it as much as you can, and this will help. And same thing I think in the top. Yeah, you see in the middle. Oh, focus. Yeah, it's burned too. So this side is it's a little bit worse. So you see the piece in the middle. Yeah, we have to cut this and polish. At least it's gonna be a little bit better. It's not gonna be yellow, close to white, but this is the only one way to do it if you want to keep the original one and want to save thousands of dollars. What? Yeah. Oh. Okay. I cut this one. Cut that spot in the middle. Now I'm gonna try to polish this a little bit, and I'm gonna leave the way it is. So as you can see, this is the new one, LED 1, 2. This is the original one. When they burn, they actually burn that plastic piece. So that's why you usually need to replace everything inside, but impossible to take this apart. So at least we gotta try to do something, you know, to look better. Alright, just testing, they were good. There you go, that looks exactly the same.